Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm the owner of RESIDE, and we're here at a roof install in beautiful Richfield, Minnesota. I'm here with our production manager, Joe Rohrbach. He's taking care of this job, making sure everything goes smoothly. And we just kind of wanted to talk about the install process and some of the things that we do that sets us apart from other contractors. It's really important when you do a roof install. So Joe, thanks for joining us today. You were here anyways because it's your job. And I was curious, what is this black net thing that we see behind us, and why do we put that up?
This one in particular is called the catch-all system. It's got adjustable poles and then that netting. It does a fair job of protecting the plants around here. The big thing it does for us is it tries to get the nails away from the house, away from the landscaping, onto these tarps, and it makes it as easy as possible to clean up. This job's got about 20,000 nails going back on it and 40 or 50,000 staples as a part of the process, and so there's a lot of things coming and going, and it makes it as easy as possible to clean up. One of those things, we're always going to miss things around the yard in the landscaping. If you ever see anything that feels excessive, we'll be right back out, take care of it. That's our job.
So with this catch-all system, not a lot of contractors use it. It's extra work to set up, isn't it?
It's extra work to set up, and it's a little bit of an investment to get started, but at the end of the day, it saves on labor. I mean, when you take your cleanup time and you can consolidate all your stuff into the bottom of that catch-all net, it really makes cleanup a lot faster and easier. And at the end of the day, that's the easy thing. You're tired, you're hot, you've been on a roof all day. To make that as simple as possible is kind of a good win for everybody.
Yeah, and I see we've got some plywood up protecting plants as well. There's a lot of things to protect during a roofing install. We can see this place looks kind of like a war zone. Taking a roof off is a really messy job. It can be anxiety inducing for some homeowners, but I really like how we protect as much as we can to make it a stress-free process. So even though it's messy during the tear off, when we're done, it's going to look really clean. And the hope is that you didn't really know that we were there, except for the fact that you got a new roof on.